Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add new Todoist tasks from Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Todoist account in your preferred browser. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials now. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your task management features and allows you to create the task link you'll later use in Outlook. Once you've logged in, wait a moment while the system loads your dashboard. You'll be taken to Todoist's main interface where all your tasks and projects are organized. Now, to add a new Todoist task from Outlook, start by looking at the left side menu of your screen. You'll see several Todoist tabs listed here, each representing different sections of your workspace. Look for the Inbox option and click on it. This is where you'll create your new task before linking it to Outlook. From the Inbox view, you'll want to start customizing your task by clicking on the Add Task button. This opens up a field where you can enter all the relevant details about your task, such as the task name, description, due date, and priority level. Take your time to configure everything exactly how you need it, as these details will be reflected when you link it to Outlook. Once you're satisfied with your task configuration, click the Add Task button to save it. After your task is created, you'll see it listed right above the task creation field in your inbox. Now comes the important part. Hover your cursor over the task you just created and want to add to Outlook. When you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appears on the right side of the task. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal additional options. A context menu will appear with several choices for managing your task. From this list of options, click on Copy Link to Task. This action copies a unique URL to your clipboard that directly links to this specific Todoist task, which is exactly what you need to integrate it with Outlook. Now that you've copied the link to your task, it's time to switch over to Microsoft Outlook. Open your Outlook application and navigate to the Task menu. This is where you manage all your Outlook tasks and to-do items. From here, click on the New Task button to create a fresh task entry. In the Task Details field that appears, simply paste in your Todoist task link that you copied earlier. By doing this, your Todoist task will be added to Outlook and remain linked between both platforms, allowing you to manage it from either application seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Todoist task to Microsoft Outlook, giving you the flexibility to manage your tasks across both platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.